The use of artificial intelligence for side hustles and money-making methods has increased exponentially. I also take advantage of this by creating my own software subscription and offer this to specific business owners. Or my favorite easiest way to make money is to sell design concept and printed products. One popular tool that was widely used was Midjourney. However, Midjourney has recently transitioned to a paid plan, no longer offering free access to the public. As a result, people are now searching for alternative AI tools that can deliver similar results. After extensive research, I believe I have found the perfect solution: Leonardo.ai. Leonardo is an AI platform that has recently been updated and has the capabilities to compete with tools like Midjourney. The best part is that you don't need a paid plan to use your generated images commercially, which sets it apart from Midjourney's requirements. To access Leonardo, you can visit their website and click on Get Early Access at the top right corner. You will be prompted to input your email and then redirected to a thank you page, where you can join their Discord server. However, it seems that the whitelisting process may be broken at the moment, and you can use the app without being whitelisted. Simply go back to their main site, click on Launch App at the top right corner, and select Yes, I'm whitelisted. Once you access the Leonardo homepage or dashboard, you can explore its features. Leonardo offers high-quality image creations, and you can view past creations along with the settings and prompts used to generate each image. You can also browse different versions of the artwork and even find images without backgrounds, which can save you time on removing backgrounds later. One standout feature of Leonardo is the ability to use the generated images commercially free of charge. This is a game changer compared to Midjourney, which requires a monthly plan for commercial rights to the generated images. Leonardo operates on a token-based system where you receive 150 tokens that reset every 24 hours. Each token allows you to generate one image, providing you with tons of opportunities to create and utilize images for various purposes. In addition to image generation, Leonardo has a built-in section dedicated to texture generation, making it useful for game developers who require textures. By uploading 8 OBJ file and using a prompt, you can generate textures tailored to your needs. When using Leonardo's AI generation tool, you have several options to fine-tune your image creation. You can input detailed prompts to achieve more accurate results. The image dimensions are optimized for 1024 by 1024 pixels, ensuring better outcomes. This really providing flexibility in the creative process. The tiling option is particularly useful for creating repeating patterns or backgrounds. You can choose between image to image and image prompt options to generate new images based on uploaded images or similar prompts. Considering the features and capabilities of Leonardo, there are potential business models that can help you generate passive income online. One of the easiest examples is selling your art products on platforms like Etsy. This shop generates thousands of dollars from a single product. Or you can then be applied to various products available on print-on-demand sites like Printify. By leveraging their services, you can design and sell products without the need for extensive manual work. By scaling your efforts and expanding your listings over time, you can potentially generate stupidly significant income on the platform. Let me know what's your thought on this. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe eCash.ai YouTube channel. Anyway, see you on the next video. Peace.